The doors to your home do more than just welcome people inside. They create a visual statement. But there's more to picking out a door than just color or style. And that's where Abby Windows and Exteriors comes in. Their Builder Showcase's window and door expert. And joining me is owner Abby Binder. Hi, Abby.
Hi.
Abby, people have a lot of different doors available to them as options. What do you recommend for both quality and appearance?
We love the Provia doors. They are all Amish crafted right here in the Midwest, and they offer both fiberglass and steel.
Let's talk about design. You offer doors that go with any style or decor?
We do. We actually can bring our iPads out to your home, and we have an app that we can design it right there with you. Take a picture of your house to show you exactly what it would look like. And we also have stain options, paint options, multiple different glass options as well.
Now, a new door really helps beautify your home, but there are other benefits as well.
Provia actually won the Energy Star Partner of the Year award 5 years in a row. They also offer other benefits such as security and privacy.
These are all excellent reasons to update your doors. And when it comes to product and installation, you have a warranty that can't be beat.
We do. It is a lifetime warranty on everything and up to a 15-year finish warranty.
That's terrific. Thanks, Abby.
Thank you.
To get started with your exterior project, give Abby Windows and Exteriors a call today at 414-436-ABBY. That's 414-436-2229. Or visit abbywindows.com.
Abby Windows, for a quick, honest job, it's the place you should go.